just like the title says, how to clear your stubborn acne and your stubborn pimples. Yeah, darling. Have you tried other means to clear your pimples and your acne and they are proven so stubborn? Then you have not tried out this one.
Give it to me like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you are just discovering my channel, hi, so happy to have you on this channel. Please do not make this video your last. I post informative and educative and entertaining videos, so why don't you hang around, join this family by subscribing. Thank you. Hit the subscribe button right now. Yeah, so let's get right into the video, guys. I'm here to spill the tea. I'm here to spill the tea, guys. How to get rid of your stubborn pimples. Stubborn pimples, like I said, stubborn pimples. Yeah. Do you have recurring pimples and stubborn acne and you don't know how to take them away? Stay glued as I tell you how I get rid of my pimples. How to get rid of your pimples and your acne, both your body acne is here. So this is how to get rid of pimples. I use Dettol antiseptic to get rid of my body pimples. Yeah, this. Do you know that this antiseptic can get rid of your pimples? You didn't know, right? Now you know. So, but then there are rules you have to follow to use this product. Else, it will be problematic. Else, it will be destructive. So, guys, there are rules to use Dettol. Dettol is a disinfectant. Yes, it kills germs on your face and unclog your pores. Yeah, because there are bacteria that causes pimple on the face. So this disinfectant and other disinfectants can kill those bacteria that are causing pimples on your face. Both gender can use this. So for a dry skin, you are to use this Dettol, you have to go in with your moisturizer because Dettol dry up the face. It dries up the face, yes. If you have a very dry skin and you're using this product, that will still dry it and it will make you uncomfortable. So you have to go in with your moisturizer. Okay. So now this disinfectant is concentrated, is so concentrated. For us to use it, you have to dilute it. You have to dilute it. If you do not dilute it, if you go in with this disinfectant without diluting it, it will burn your skin, guys. It will burn your skin, yeah. So because it's very, very harsh to the skin. So before you go in with this um disinfectant, you have to do a patch test. What do I mean by a patch test? We all know that the skin differs. We have different skin types. So what works for type A might not really work for you. So you have to know the measurement that works for you. You have to dilute it to the much your skin can take, because if you don't dilute it very well, it will hurt you. It will hurt your face. Like that's why I said you always do a patch test. So let me show you guys what I mean. I'll be using this to demonstrate it while I put my Dettol. I I don't go in with, I don't fill it up to the brim, okay? I just take a little, the half of it. Yeah, this is half of it. Then I put it here, I put it here, okay? Now, this is the concentrated Dettol antiseptic. I have to dilute it now. So I always dilute it with one glass cup. Yeah. So now this is what I'll be doing. Guys, you need to dilute this thing very well because if you don't dilute it, it will be very, very hot for your skin. Okay. Now, when you've done this, you're now going for your patch test. Like I said, you take a little, this is my cotton pad, you dip it inside and then you press it out. Okay. Then you touch it on your hand to first feel it on your skin. If it's hot, then you dilute it more because 1 liter of 1 glass cup works for me, might not really work for you, so you have to dilute it. Now after diluting it, you go in with this cotton pad, you dip it, okay, and then you rub it all over your face like you would go in with your face toner of or face cleanser. You go it on like this on your face, okay? You take it around the air your face, cleanse it very well, okay? It's not hurting me, guys. If you apply it on your face and it's hurting you, please go wash up your face. If it enters your eye mistakenly, please wash off your face, okay? Then you just rub it like this on your area, on the areas you have pimple all over your face. You would see a lot of dirt coming out. You just go over it like this, like you would go for a your face toners, okay? Yeah. Please not allow it to enter your eyes, okay? So when you go into this, you after doing this, after cleansing your face with this, you have to allow it to sit for 30 minutes, guy. You allow guys, I say guy. So you allow it to sit for 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes before you go wash it off, okay? Please do not go out with this on your face, nor sleep with it on your face. You have to wash it off, okay? And after doing this, Dettol is very dry. Yeah, it dries up the face. So if you have a dry skin, going in with this will keep you uncomfortable. Yeah, to be like times two of drying. So now it's advisable you go in with your moisturizer, a mild face moisturizer of your choice, to help out the dryness. But then you are not allowed to, please guys, don't go in with your serum, your glycolic acid, your niacinamide. Don't go in with your niacinamide, your serum, whatever skincare routine you go in with, please. This is not skincare routine. This is what you do for pimples. So you should single it out. You should add it to your routines. Just after doing this, in the next 30 minutes, you take it out, wash it off very, very well. Then you can allow your skin to rest a little bit before you go in with your serum. Don't just wash it off then rush in with your serum, because this it has penetrated your skin and is working, so that you don't go stress the skin. You're not meant to stress your skin. It's supposed to be mild, okay? So now antiseptic will unclog your pores, guys. We all know that what causes pimples are some certain bacteria on the face. So now what antiseptic will do is that when you wipe it off your face, it will go unclog your pores, open up your pores and remove all the bacteria on your face that are causing the pimples, your recurring pimples and recurring body acne and face acne. Okay, you can do this 3 days in a week. Some people do it from Monday to Friday, Monday to Sunday, but I do this 3 days in a week, okay, because this is a very strong antiseptic, so you don't go spoil your skin barrier, okay? In the course of achieving something, you go spoil your skin barrier. So I do this 3 times in a week. So you could also do this 3 times in a week, depending on your type of skin. Okay. So guys, I'm going to wait for this to sit on me for 30 minutes, then I'll go wash it off. Yeah, this is it. As simple as this. This is quite affordable. So you can purchase this. If you try out this and it's so harsh on your skin, yeah, you could use other antiseptics. You could use tetimoso. I have tetimoso here. I also use tetimoso, okay? I also use tetimoso because sometimes I also use tetimoso, okay? You can use tetimoso if Dettol is so harsh on your skin. You can go on with tetimoso, guys. So yeah, this is it. That is the tea, and I just spilled the tea. So try this out to remove your pimples and drop your comments when it works for you. I would love to see your comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe now. If you've not subscribed, please guys, hit the subscribe button so we could grow into a big family. I would really, 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 really appreciate it. I would really, really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I hope you get the good and best results for your face. See you in my next video. Bye. I love you.